Hello and welcome to Forge Bits. In today's video, we're going to create something like a cool background image or wallpaper. So we're going to start with a new blend file. I'm not gonna say this again because it's getting old, and you know that using an old blend file might introduce molds into your design, so you don't want to do that. So anyway, so we're going to create something cool, like for your wallpaper maybe. So we're going to add a subdivision on this one, but make it simple and set it to 2. Then add another one, subdivision, set it to 2. Then right click, shade smooth. There you go. And that's how you make it. We're going to use an array. Set the array. Let me minimize the 2 subdivisions that we had. Let's have the array by maybe 1.5. No, I think it's too distant. Yeah, I think this one should work. We're going to maybe go for 10. Oh, how about 50? Oh, yeah, maybe just 20, 30. Is it enough to cover? Let's create another array modifier. This time, let's have it on the y-axis. So like 1.2. There you go. I think this should cover the camera view. Let's see. Let's move our camera somewhere like that. If you're seeing clipping like that, just go here and extend it, like add one more 0. Or, oh, you need to also set it on your camera. So click on your camera, click here, add another 0 like that. So I think if we move, yeah, I think that will do. So just click on the cube again, click on modifier, and we're going to apply it. So click on apply. Oh, it's taking some time. There you go. Next, we're going to edit the cubes and separate loose parts. So we're going to have like, I don't know, so many cubes. There you have it. And I would suggest you create a new collection, then drag all these cubes into a new collection so it doesn't get in the way. Then right click on these cubes, make sure everything is selected. So right click, select objects, right click, set object origin to geometry. So we have all the geometry right there. So yeah, everything is in order. Next, click one of the cubes, enable the proportion editing, then move it along the z-axis, but increase the maybe we should just use the smooth. Move the z-axis like that. Yeah, something like that, maybe around here. Then move it again, but this time just smaller, like that. There you go. So let's preview it. Maybe let's go down a little bit like that so you don't see my mouse is why is it? Oh, I'm on edit mode. It's not my mouse fault. I'm going to adjust a little bit don't want to maybe go a little bit like that. Yeah, I think that will do. And then we're going to make the material. So since we have the default material selected on each and every one of it, let's go to oh, it's so dark in here. We're going to move the light. Oh, we're going to move the light somewhere around here. Top view, maybe. Yeah, I think that's good enough. Let's increase the light intensity, maybe 10k or 5k, like that. Duplicate, move it here. Duplicate, move it here. Oh, then let's make different colors. So maybe we could like set this to red, set this one to blue or green, set the other one to blue. There you go. And then we set the cube to something shiny, like metallic. Set it to 1. Oh, no, we're getting there. Adjust the roughness so that yeah, something like that. Then go to the world properties, set it to black. Oh, now we're really getting it. And if you want, if you are really feeling adventurous, add one more here, maybe up here. Maybe a little bit forward to, let me move it along. Oh, I think we need to move it upwards like that. Move it back a little bit, something like that. And perhaps we could set it into a different color, maybe this time yellowish, orangey. Yellow, maybe yellow is good, but let's power it down a little bit. Not so much. There you go. Then switch to cycles to make things more interesting. Uh-oh, need to save it. Yeah, there's just so many stuff going on this scene. That's why. Let me. Okay, I turned off my game. I have a game running on the background, so yeah, it's eating up resources. So yeah, something like that. I'm going to save it for Patreon. Cool BG. And do we have a duplicate? I hope not. Cool BG one. It's not red, so probably no duplicate. So now we go to compositing. Oh, we need to render it one time first. So I'm going to render it. Move it at the side. Oh, there you go. Now I'm going to there you go, fit. So let's make it a little bit more interesting by adding maybe a lens distortion. These are my favorite nodes for my, I think most of my work uses these combinations of yeah, I mostly use these nodes, and then perhaps we could add something like an RGB curve, so we could play around with the contrast. Oh, not too much. There you go. And perhaps we could add like glare. Let's see. There's an effect out there. Oh, it's too much. Or maybe let's try something like a fog glow. How about ghost? Maybe we could adjust. Streaks, simple star. Yeah, I think that should. I don't think we need too much of this, because having something too strong, since we have a scene that's like very glowy, as soon as one of these effects kicks in, like it's going to affect a lot of stuff. So yeah, I don't think this is needed. Although maybe we could like add a color balance to like, let's see, maybe if we want the scene to be a little bit on a bluish tint, like to increase the blue tint, or if we want it to be reddish tint, like increase the so it's up to you. Maybe purplish, since our channel is purplish channel. Yeah, you could adjust a little bit like that. It's up to you, whichever whatever floats your boat. So yeah, that's yeah, that's your wallpaper. Actually, you can even add like a volumetric, but it's going to be hellish on my GPU, and I kind of don't want to wait for it to render. So just do it on your copy. So if you like videos like this, yeah, click the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss videos like this. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.